Is everything all right? Is everything all right? क्या सब कुछ ठीक है? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? मैं आपके लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ? When will you reach? When will you reach? तुम कब पहुँचोगे? आओगे? When will you come? When will you come? तुम कब आओगे? Why are you late? Why are you late? तुम्हें देर क्यों हुई? Do you need anything? Do you need anything? क्या आपको किसी चीज़ की ज़रूरत है? Do you need the car? Do you need the car? क्या आपको गाड़ी की ज़रूरत है? Do you know him? Do you know him? क्या तुम इसे जानते हो? How can I help you? How can I help you? मैं आपकी क्या मदद कर सकता हूँ? Why should I care? Why should I care? मैं परवाह क्यों करूँ? What would you like to have? What would you like to have? आप क्या लेना पसंद करेंगे? Whose child is this? Whose child is this? ये किसका बच्चा है? Is it a holiday today? Is it a holiday today? क्या छुट्टी है? Are you alone here? Are you alone here? क्या तुम यहाँ अकेले हो? Does he like tea? Does he like tea? क्या इसे चाय पसंद है? Do you have some time? Do you have some time? क्या तुम्हारे पास कुछ वक्त है? Are you from चमन? Are you from चमन? क्या तुम चमन से हो? Where do you live? Where do you live? आप कहाँ रहते हैं? तुम कहाँ रहते हो? Why did you do that? Why did you do that? तुमने ऐसा क्यों किया? Why did you lie? Why did you lie? तुमने झूठ क्यों बोला? Will you marry her? Will you marry her? क्या तुम इसे शादी करोगे? Are you angry with me? Are you angry with me? क्या तुम मुझसे नाराज़ हो? How did you get here? How did you get here? तुम यहाँ कैसे पहुँच गया? Why are you so sad? Why are you so sad? तुम इतने उदास क्यों हो? Is that my fault? Is that my fault? क्या ये मेरी गलती है? Why didn't you tell me? Why didn't you tell me? तुमने मुझे क्यों नहीं बताया? ये जुमला आप खुद ट्रांसलेट करें और कमेंट में लिखें। ये आपके लिए एक छोटा सा इम्तिहान है, टेस्ट है। Will you wait for me? Will you wait for me? क्या तुम मेरा इंतज़ार करोगे? Have you seen my shoes anywhere? Have you seen my shoes anywhere? क्या तुमने मेरे जूते कहीं देखे हैं? Do you want to go? Do you want to go? क्या तुम जाना चाहते हो? Why are you chasing me? Why are you chasing me? तुम मेरा पीछा क्यों कर रहे हो? Are you feeling better? Are you feeling better? क्या तुम ठीक हो? How long did you stay there? How long did you stay there? तुम वहाँ कितनी देर ठहरे? Thanks for watching. Like the video.